withdrawing money from SoundCloud to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your SoundCloud account. Access your SoundCloud account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where your earnings are stored. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings dashboard. Once loaded in, go to your profile or account settings. Look for the section labeled Earnings or Monetization to find your earnings dashboard, where you can view your available balance. Step 3. Set up your payment method. In the earnings dashboard, locate the option to set up or manage your payment method. You will need to provide your bank account details, including your account number and routing number, to facilitate the transfer. Step 4. Request a withdrawal. After setting up your payment method, look for the option to withdraw funds. Select the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review any fees or minimum withdrawal limits. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. Once you have submitted your withdrawal request, you will receive a confirmation. The processing time may vary, so check your bank account after a few days to see if the funds have been deposited. In conclusion, following these steps will help you successfully withdraw your earnings from SoundCloud to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, refer to SoundCloud support resources for assistance.